Hello everyone, and welcome back to US Military Team Channel. As Western nations scramble to counter Russia's aggression, Lockheed Martin's F-35 stealth fighter jet has taken center stage across Europe. Though Russia operates surface-to-air missile systems, none have been able to control airspace in the war. The war has also raised questions about how some of the most advanced weaponry, particularly warplanes operating in contested airspace, could play a critical role in the battle, as well as what lessons can be learned from the current war.